Hi all, Stuart from Digma here. I'm just gonna today show you how to create an interactive image. So firstly, go to the library and you can go into images and upload your image. And for this demo, we're just gonna pick a random leaf in a vase image. Once your image is uploaded, you've got this little icon here, little flash icon. Click on that to create an interactive image, or you can go straight into the images section here and create your interactive image this way. But for now, just go through the library version. So you click on the little flash icon. Do you want to create an interactive image? Yep. And as soon as it uploads, we've got this hotspot generator, which this wizard, which has detected two objects in this image, and you can automatically generate the hotspots for your interactive image. So I click generate hotspots. Yep. As you can see here, these two hotspots have now been generated. One saying plant and one with a vase. So now we can drag this to wherever you want it. So let's just say on that leaf there. We'll leave the vase one where it is. And inside on the right hand side, you can see some configurations for both of the hotspots. Clicking on this hotspot, you can see the config for the tooltip. Basically, that's when you hover over it and it says what it is. There's options to show on load. So when your image loads up on your website, it's automatically showing already. You can take that off. You can write a description. Say, I am a vase, for example. Very descriptive text. When you hover over it, it's got the description underneath. You can also insert an image. Let's go with the Digma logo. Why not? And so when you hover over it, you've got the image, the description, and the title. You can also have a button. Say if you're selling a product, say buy now. And you can choose the color, text color, link it to Digma website, choose button target. So now when you hover over it, you've got all those four options. Let's just take off the image for now. And then we have, what else have we got on here? You can also place the tooltip in different positions. So if you wanted to have it on the right, it flips open on the right like that. And also we have icons. So if you wanted to do a little shopping basket icon there, you've got that. You can choose also the designs. You can also have a transparent hotspot. So if you don't want any icons or any design like that, click on transparent, and you've got this nice little space here. You can do it for the whole vase if you want, which is pretty cool. So what else we got? Oh, it's a little bit too big. Yeah, you can change the colors as well. You can change the borders. You can also have your own image as the hotspot as well. So if you wanted to, let's just do the Digma logo again. You could have that as your hotspot. So lots of different configurations that you can do. And yeah, that's basically if you just wanted someone to go straight in and quickly go to purchase that product, and that will link straight off to that web page. Alternatively, if you wanted to hold more information, which is basically what Digma is all about, is having all the information that you want right there on the image, we have overlays. So if you enable the overlay on that hotspot, you can choose a template of how you want the overlay to look like. In this case, we've got just a single column. I use either single or double column. Let's use double for now. Once that's enabled, You can click on the overlay, and this overlay will appear within the frame, within the image frame, or you can enable it to be full screen overlay. That's what the most common thing to do would be. Again, you've got more options here, hiding the background color. You can change the background color to whatever you fancy. You can put a blur on for the background, so if you don't have a color, it will blur the background, which is pretty cool. Some animations, you can change the border radius of the overlays, so you can make them a lot rounder and put on some other paddings and things like that. Now, within the overlays, this is the best bit, you can add plugins. So if you were to, for example, you could have a title. So you can put in like A's, for example, add another plugin, put a paragraph in. You could put in some images, some quotes. We've got ratings. We could do some 5-star reviews on that. You can also move these around using the up and down arrows here. If you don't like something, you can delete it. You can also duplicate it and hide and show it as well if you want to hide that for various reasons. And on the left-hand side, you can add. We've got a lot of different plugins that you can add, and you can have. Let's find a video, HTML5 video, or a YouTube video. Let's do a YouTube video. Okay, so I've just copied a URL from YouTube, and there you go. You've just inserted a video inside your overlay. So save that. You can then get the embed code, copy this code, and that interactive image will be on your website. That's about it really. Let me know what you guys think. I also forgot to say, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Great. Thanks. Bye.